This is the monthly chart on Palantir, and Palantir had a great, at least initial 2023 when the stock rose nearly 200%. You can see down at the $8 level on this extended range green candle. Price did form a monthly buy level. However, we have to look at current price and see where the next zones are. And that would be the monthly bias level at $14. How is that formed? Well, you had the extended range candle in, so leg in, basement candle, and then the leg out. And as you can see, this level has worked out already. However, price had to deal with this $20 support, now resistance level. And if you scroll down to the weekly chart, you can see the price has been, for the most part, range bound for the better half of the last 6-7 months. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's look at this article because Cathie Wood still believes in Palantir longer term. So a host of other companies are emerging as leaders in AI and taking on big tech. One such company is Palantir, and it has the presence in some of Cathie Wood's ARK Invest funds. Wood was an early supporter of Palantir following the company's IPO. Wall Street was somewhat skeptical of the company due to its heavy reliance on government contracts. Throughout 2022, Palantir's main source of revenue from government deals began to decelerate, causing concern over the company's growth prospects. For a time in 2022, Wood and ARK Invest exited their position in Palantir entirely, selling over 30 million shares. After cratering in 2022, Palantir stock rebounded spectacularly last year as demand for its AI software spiked. Wood and ARK Invest returned to aggressively buying Palantir stock. Currently, Palantir is ARK Invest's 24th largest holdings across all of their ETFs. Now, while Wall Street spent most of 2023 enamored with startups such as OpenAI, ChatGPT, Palantir marched forward and started making waves among the AI chatter. This approach appears to be resonating as Palantir has added over 100 new private sector customers over the last 12 months, diversifying their risk with regards to relying on governments. The company posted its fourth consecutive quarter profitability on a GAAP basis during the third quarter. Not only is this a testament to the management's ability to operate a financially sound business, but this milestone also helps fulfill all the criteria necessary for Palantir's eligibility for conclusion in the S&P 500. We saw last year, forgot what the company was, but they was also included in the S&P 500, and that was big for the stock because these smart money, when they invest in funds, i.e. the SPY, which is the ETF for the S&P 500, portion of that goes into buying any stock listed on the 500 exchange. One of the most bullish Wall Street analysts covering Palantir is Dan Ives of Wedbush Securities. He also covers Tesla, and he's a big bull for Tesla. A few months ago, Ives detailed his long-term price target and revenue forecast for Palantir. In a research note, he believes Palantir can reach total annual revenue of $5 billion by 2027. Now, as Gen AI becomes more important for the companies of all sizes, Palantir's growth prospects are tough to ignore. It's likely a big reason Cathie Wood and ARK Invest got back into the stock. Given this dynamic, current valuation multiples suggest that the stock has a high chance of becoming a multi-bagger over the long term. And I would agree if and when price can take out this resistance level at the $20 level. Going to the daily chart. What's cool is that the 200-day moving average is slowly catching up to price and is exiting the monthly bias level at $14. Again, if you look at bigger picture, what you can see is you had a lower low, higher low, higher high, higher higher low, higher high. Potentially that you have a higher low as well. So only time will tell if the next leg up is going to be a higher high. But don't get fooled if price dips below this last pivot low. It will be setting up for a nice bear trap, as I do anticipate buyers stepping in this big monthly zone at $14. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.